Committee on Travel Unity Kotu, Kuki in Manipur KIM and Kuki Students Organization KSO have expressed deep grief over the demise of Vungzagin Valte, sitting MLA of Thalon Assembly Constituency, who passed away at Medanta Hospital in Delhi NCR after prolonged treatment for critical injuries. Describing him as a leader who stood firmly for his people and a victim of the violence, the organization said his prolonged suffering and eventual demise mark an irreparable loss to his family, constituents, and wider Kukizo community. Kotu alleged serious security lapses in the attack despite his high security status and reiterated demands for justice and an impartial investigation, while also announcing shutdown in Sadar Hills on the day his mortal remains are brought home and during his final rites in Churachandpur. KIM termed his passing a stark reminder of the continued suffering of Kukizo people and called for a political and administrative solution, whereas KSO described the assault on an elected representative as an attack on democracy, urged the public to remain calm and united in mourning and convey heartfelt condolences to the bereaved family, praying for eternal peace for the departed soul.